India's men's cricket team, the Men in Blue, made history by winning the ICC T20 World Cup 2024, ending a 17-year wait since their last victory. Under the leadership of Rohit Sharma, India clinched the title by defeating South Africa in a thrilling final at the Kensington Oval in Barbados on June 29. The Indian team's performance was nothing short of spectacular, displaying exceptional talent, determination, and sportsmanship throughout the tournament. The Indian team's return journey was delayed due to Hurricane Beryl, which caused a lockdown-like situation in Barbados and other Caribbean regions. Flights and airports were non-operational until a concerted effort by the BCCI, Indian authorities, Barbados Prime Minister and others arranged for an Air India charter. The team, along with their families, journalists and BCCI administrators, including Secretary Jay Shah, finally landed in Delhi on the morning of July 4. Upon arrival, the Men in Blue were welcomed with great fanfare. A special tri-coloured cake was prepared at ITC Maurya to celebrate their victory. They then headed to the Prime Minister's office for a breakfast meeting with PM Narendra Modi. BCCI Secretary Jay Shah congratulated the team on social media, announcing a massive cash prize of INR 125 crore for their outstanding achievement. This prize money is over 3 times the bonus given to the 2011 World Cup winning team led by MS Dhoni. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was among the first to congratulate the team, praising their record-setting performance and expressing the nation's pride in their victory. In a video message, he stated, "Team India को इस भव्य विजय के लिए सभी देशवासियों की तरफ से बहुत-बहुत बधाई।
टीम इंडिया को इस भव्य विजय के लिए सभी देशवासियों की तरफ से बहुत-बहुत बधाई।
Home Minister Amit Shah lauded the players' stellar performance and team spirit, while Congress MP Rahul Gandhi highlighted Rohit Sharma's leadership and the team's phenomenal performance. Rahul Gandhi tweeted, "Congratulations to Team India on spectacular World Cup victory and a phenomenal performance throughout the tournament. Surya, what a brilliant catch. Rohit, this win is a testament to your leadership." The victory was celebrated across the country with politicians and public figures expressing their joy and pride. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, an avid cricket fan, described the win as a historic moment, stating, "The hopes and wishes of millions of people have finally come true. The World Cup is back in India's lap." Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Mansukh Mandavia tweeted about the collective pride of 1.4 billion Indians. Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra tweeted India had created history by winning the T20 World Cup. This historic win has not only ended a long wait for a world title, but has also inspired a sense of unity and national pride across India.